Hey everybody, Kyle Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well today. Hope you're having a good day. Alright, we have a little small orange box here on the table. It is a Casebot, and it's a little case for our Apple TV 4K remote. See how small this is, and it's nothing but metal. Well, in my big hands, it's kind of hard to hold on to. And this is a little silicone case. Silicone, and we're gonna make a quick unboxing video on it. It's $6 or $7. If we don't like it, it's gonna go right back. But let's jump down here on the table and I'll show you what we got. All right, here on the table, you can see we got the Apple TV remote. I didn't need my knife. All right, unbox this thing. Nothing in the box, no instructions or anything, so I'm gonna say this is gonna be simple. So it's just a little grippy, got a little design on it, and like I said, it's Casebot. Here's the remote. We're just gonna slip it in. There we go. Fit good. So it does have a USB-C charging port opening. And it has the front IR opening. I can grip it now. Just don't know if I can keep from losing it. So, but yeah, everything, it feels good. It says Casebot right here on it. Yeah, I think that's going to work right there. May have to paint it orange so I can find it, or yellow or something, but I believe that's going to work. Looks good. So there you have it. Casebot silicone case for your Apple TV 4K remote. Your normal Apple TV remote probably fit in it too. Links in the description. Hope that helps somebody out. But if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell to be notified. And if you're over on Rumble, do the same thing. But yeah, we may end up losing it, but at least it won't slip out of our hands. No. So anyway, that's going to be it for today. Hope you guys are having a great day and a great weekend. And like I always say, until the next video, thanks for watching. And hey, check out a couple of these other videos over here while you ain't doing nothing. Y'all have a good one.